Hey divas, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a little bit nervous today because I bought this wig and I stood there for a good little moment looking at it and debating, should I get it, should I get it, should I get it? I think I liked the cut or the style maybe. I bought this, I don't know if I bought it last week or the week before. I can't remember. But, sometimes I'll leave wigs sitting someplace and I won't open them for a while. So sometimes I tend to not remember. But after last week's little fiasco with the short bob that I had, I liked the style, but the color, I just really couldn't get into it. It was all right. It was subtle and it was good for work. But the one that I actually tried on, like I said before, it had the pink in it and the blonde on the top, or brown, sort of a brownish, I guess. That one was really nice. So when I saw that, I was kind of shocked. So this one that I have, I bought it at the same time. So I'm going to try that one on and do a review of it. But I'm a little nervous because I don't know whether I'm going to like the color on that either. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. And let me go ahead and show you what I have. This one, it's called Slay Blunt Flawless Bob. Okay, it's a long bob. Actually, let me go ahead and take it out. It's from Sister Wig. So let me take it out of the packaging. Okay, let me sit back just a little bit so that you can actually see what I'm doing. And this is the stock card on it. Okay, and oh, please don't mind my nails. I have not gotten them done yet. I'm gonna go after I finish this video. I just want to get this out of the way. But this one is called LaLa, and it is a long bob. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Oh, let's see what we have here. Am I gonna like it or not? Am I gonna like it or not? I'm nervous. What on earth? I think it has baby hairs. Oh Lord. Okay. You have no idea how my heart is beating right now because I'm like, am I gonna like this? I have another wig and I'm debating on whether, if I don't like this, am I gonna take that one out? Okay. My heart is pumping a little bit, okay, because I don't know how I'm going to like this wig. I did try it on. I remember trying it on. I remember liking the style, but, I was iffy on the color. They didn't have the color that I wanted. Okay, so here we go. Here it is. Look at that. Ooh, look at all this long baby hairs, honey. Baby hairs. So I'm going to be working with some baby hairs, okay. Okay, do we see the color? I don't know why I feel like it was sort of like a grayish kind of color. I'm not really sure. Okay, so what's the color on here? It's a charcoal. Okay, so it's SOM RT Charcoal. And the colors that they had, they were kind of funky. They had like a pink and orange, some type of a green, and then of course this. So of course, I went with this. I'm always doing I'm always picking the safe side of everything. I need to start stepping out on the wild side a little bit. Okay, but let me go ahead and cut this. I should have my scissors out already, and I didn't. And let's go ahead and cut this stock card off of this. And let's go ahead and try LaLa on. Now, I don't want to be too long with this, so, oh no. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try it on first. I was about to say I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, but no, I'm not going to do that first. I think what I'm going to do is try it on. Let's see how it looks first. Now, just before I try it on, I do want to point out that it does have the two combs on the inside. It looks like there is a deep part and there's a comb in the back. I usually use the comb in the back because I'll have a ponytail and I'll stick the comb in there, but I usually don't use these combs on the side. I just don't. So we're gonna see how this is. Hopefully it won't slide back. Let me put my stocking cap on. so that I can protect my hair. All right. Now, what am I going to do with these baby hairs? I don't know. This is going to be interesting because I've never had to work with baby hairs other than what's on my own hair, but never on a wig. So this is going to be new for me. Cher. I feel like Cher, only this should be blonde. Oh, I like this. I actually like, oh, it's not super bulky and thick. I like the part on it. The part looks so natural. I do like this. The part is very natural. The hair, it sits low, so look at that. I was trying a color out for Valentine's Day. I'm trying to figure out what color I would like to go with, and I'm thinking about a design, so I just kind of been playing around with my fingernails, so please excuse them. I do like this. I like this a lot. I like how soft and silky it is. Okay, let me just stand up just a little bit so that you can see. Okay, has a long blunt cut to it. Okay. All right, so now what I'm gonna have to do is start working with the baby hairs. What's going on? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it now. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna cut it, and we're gonna figure out how to work with baby hairs because I have never worked with baby hairs before. Let me see how much of it I can just kind of blend in. Okay. I just pulled my earring off. Okay. Now, one of the reasons why I did get this is because if I were to wear a cap, this will be easy to put on underneath the cap and it'll look nice. Okay, so if you're wearing a hat, you got the straight hair underneath and it's laying flat, and it's just easier to wear a cap if you are planning to wear a cap at some point. And like I said before, I did like the cut. Okay, so look, it has the long baby hairs, but you can kind of just brush through those. And then what you can do, I do have a little bit of, oh yeah, I do need to cut that just a little bit. I'm not gonna cut it right now, not while I'm doing the video. I'll cut it just a little bit more. I'm gonna use some of this. It's olive oil. What is that? Edge control. I don't know if you can actually see that. Olive oil edge control. Now the only reason why I kind of didn't want to use this is because it's all sticky. But just to kind of lay this down just a little bit. And yeah, I may have to cut it. I think I'm just going to cut it just a tiny bit up in the front because I don't need it to be this long. This is crazy. Where is... I was so not expecting this. I was not expecting to have to lay baby hairs. In fact, I didn't even see baby hairs on the wig that I bought unless they cut it up. They had to cut this off in the store and put that up. Okay, see, I done messed it up now because I've cut the front and now I don't like it. I don't like it cut like that. Okay. This, I think I would probably work with a little bit better if it were longer. Or would I? Probably not. So, let me cut a little off there too. But this, I don't think I would use. I don't think I'd like this. Look, I have never had to do baby hairs before. So this one's a new one for me. And I hate to cut the little tiny bit that is there off, which I think I will in just a little bit. I may end up cutting that. But here's one side of it. And I do not have one of those little brushes that you could do a little swoop because I don't do baby hairs. So I think what I'm going to do for the moment, I'm just going to kind of see. Well, no, I can't even tuck this in. I can't. I can't even tuck this in. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to brush it just a little. Because like I said before, I was not equipped to play with baby hair. But it's nice. It's nice that it has it. Okay. You just have to know how to work with the baby hair. And being that this is the first time. And as you can see, I still have a little bit more lace that I need to work on, but I don't feel like this will slide back. I think I like this a lot. So, I like the look. I like the style. It can take I believe it's 400 degrees of heat. 400 degrees heat. Yeah, high heat at 400 degrees. So you can actually take a hot curler or a comb and run through it, curl it or something like that if you want to, although I'm not curling this. Do I like this color? It's quite interesting. It's gray, but it's a charcoal. So it reminds me of a cat. It reminds me of a cat that I had a long time ago. The cat's fur was this color. It's different. Um, do I want to wear this for Valentine's Day? Why do I feel crayonish? Like this. Here we go with another one that I'm just sort of like, uh, uh, I like the style. I like the style. I like that it's flat. I like the part. Okay, I will probably put a little bit of, right now I kind of want to leave it because I do like it. And I don't feel like I really have to do much of anything to it. But maybe I will later on put something there to make it look even more natural than it already does. But just on its own, it looks natural to me. Just kind of looking at it. And I like it. I really do. Now the baby hairs just kind of threw me for a loop. I had no idea because like I said before, I tried on one in the store and um, there were no baby hairs on it. So for me to open this up and realize, oh look, I've got baby hairs and I've got to work with baby hairs. I have never worked with baby hairs other than what's on my own head. And I usually just use a brush and just kind of I don't do that swooping. I really don't. I don't. So this is new for me. So I won't be doing that on this video and you won't get the opportunity to see how this looks. But I was at least able to pull the baby hairs out a little bit so that you can kind of just see what the style looks like. There we have it. Okay. Nice long bob. So tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments below. I will leave everything about this wig in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Okay. Bye-bye.